This just in, folks. Professor Evil Scientist and his gang of evil cows have taken over the White House and the world. Mankind weeps today. Is there no one that can help us?
It's not looking good, Biotechnology, man. Test results just came back. It looks like if you get up out of this bed, you're gonna die. You gotta wait on that heart transplant.
But who will stop Professor Evil Scientist? The world can't wait for me to get better. Is there nothing else we can do, Doctor?
Well, there's always xenotransplantation.
Xenotransplantation? What's that?
Well, xenotransplantation is a term that describes the use of animal organs to treat human patients. Primate hearts were the first to be used in heart transplants, but after several unsuccessful attempts, they had to look elsewhere. The most successful transplantable primate was from a baboon that kept baby Faye alive for 20 days in 1984. But since then, the animal choice has come from a popular breakfast meat, that being pigs. The reasoning behind this is due to the fact that pigs are inexpensive, they're easy to breed, and their organs tend to be similar size of humans. In addition, they can be genetically engineered. But with every good thing in today's science, there also comes ethical concerns to humanizing pig organs. Another worry is that PERV, no, not Pee Wee Herman, a virus similar to HIV that is popular in pigs, may be transferred to humans through organ transplantation. The greatest and most important challenge that scientists have right now is the massive immune response of the human body to rejecting any foreign thing entering the body. The focus is to produce a genetically engineered pigs that are disease-free and also have modified sulfur surface antigens to reduce these rejections. Recently, cloned pigs have been produced without one copy of key functional gene, such as in this pig right here, that is involved in human rejection through knockout technology, where the nucleus of a knockout cell is transferred through a pig cell without a nucleus. At the beginning stages, scientists are looking to transplantation of human insulin-producing cells from these knockout pigs for diabetes patients. Fortunately, for heart and kidney patients, and for you, Biotechnology man, these will be the first organs that will be used in xenotransplantation patients, and trials will be completed sooner than later in the future. And for the businessman out there, these procedures could produce a multi-billion-dollar industry for therapies associated with diabetes, Parkinson's disease, and Alzheimer's. So, Biotechnology man, I can actually get to work right now and fit you with a few pig organs to regenerate your superhero status and save the world before the Professor Evil Scientist learns how to turn his cow hooves into rocket launchers and dethrone man's position as top dog on the food chain. But the extent of my abilities at this time can only prolong your existence for a few days. So even though you might be successful in saving the lives of 6 billion people, you will die.
I don't see any alternative, Doctor. Let's get to work. Thank you for coming, friends. I return to you now at the turning of the tide. With my superior penchant for biotechnology, I know quite a bit about animal health and animal diseases. Many animal diseases are very contagious and can wreak havoc on livestock. In the future, recombinant DNA technology may be the only thing that can stop them. Once low-cost, effective vaccines are available, many of them may even be wiped out. Mad cow disease is a fatal neurodegenerative disorder of the cow. But with a very long incubation period, it does not serve my purposes today. Deliriosis may also be fatal, but it is spread by tick, which again will take far too long for our purposes. Coccidiosis is a parasitic protozoan that infects the digestive tract, but it can also infect humans, which we are. Foot and mouth disease is what we need. It has a short incubation period, no more than a week, and is highly contagious, only taking a few virus particles to infect the cow. We need to get to work tonight on weaponizing this foot and mouth disease, for after tonight, I may be too dead to help. To the Biotechnology Cave!
Success. Today, we pay tribute to a fallen hero. 1 year ago today, Biotechnology Man led the insurgency against Professor Evil Scientist's army. That same day, he died. He may have had the heart of a pig, but today, every man, woman, and child's heart beats for him. A moment of silence.
Was an old mouse that lived on the hill, Was an old mouse that lived on the hill, Was an old mouse that lived on the hill. He was rough and tough like a Buffalo Bill, One day he said he was going for a ride, One day he said he was going for a ride, One day he said he was going for a ride with his Ford and pistol by his side,